So today I'm going to clean out my washing machine's drawer. The washing machine drawer on most machines simply slides out, and as you can see it's rather gungy indeed. I'm going to be using dish soap and the best cleaner in the world, soda crystals. Dish soap acts as the carrier for the soda crystals. Really, you should wear gloves, but as I've been cleaning for 40 years and handling various different chemicals, I have become toughened to it. But please, if you're going to use soda crystals with your dish soap, you really ought to wear gloves. Soda crystals are possibly the cheapest and, in my opinion, my personal opinion, the best cleaner on the planet. They always work better with washing up liquid or dish soap, and together the clean is pretty exceptional. Apart from aluminium or aluminum, you can pretty much clean anything with your soda crystals, and it's very versatile as to what it can do. My last washing machine prior to this one, I bought second hand, and because I put soda crystals in every single wash, it lasted me 20 years. It aids in softening the water, cleaning the element, keeping the drum clean, and pretty much everything in between. As you see, I've only been on it a couple of minutes and look how it's already coming up. Again, let me warn you, if you're of delicate hands, you really should wear gloves. But as my hands are constantly getting dirty, I'm in effect cleaning my hands as well with this. As I mentioned before, you can use soda crystals in with your normal detergent in your washing machine, and it helps keep the machine clean, and it helps the element in the machine stay clean, and you should, in theory, get longer years out of your washing machine. Something rather satisfying over taking something that's dirty, giving it a wash, and then seeing it clean. I frequently pre-wash my dirty jeans in soda crystals and washing detergent, soak them for an hour, then put them through the washing machine, and it usually brings them up nearly new. And the best thing about soda crystals are cheap. I bought 1 kilo of soda crystals from my local Walmart shop. Sorry about that, I had to answer the phone. These things one has to do. Using a paintbrush just to get into those areas that are really tough to get into. There are plenty of other items within the kitchen that you can clean with soda crystals, and later on I shall be showing you those. soda crystals and dish soap. They go together like strawberries and cream. So, there we are, pretty much finished. I'm sure you'll agree that looks much nicer. Much nicer. Turn it round. Place it back into the machine. And it doesn't fit properly because I haven't fitted it correctly. There you go.